Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can extract numbers in a range in Excel using filter formula. So put the equal sign, type filter, open the bracket and select the cells range, for example A3 till A and 102. This is the array to filter that tells Excel which range of data you want to filter and extract values from, comma, space, and open the bracket and now select the cells range. So this checks each cell in a range to see if it is greater than 10 or creating a list of true or false values. Greater than sign, equal, for example 10 value, close the bracket, space, put the multiplication symbol. It acts as an AND operator in array formula. When Excel multiplies logic values, true converts to 1 and false convert to 0. Space, open the bracket and again select the data range. This checks if each cells to see if it is 50, creating a second list of true or false values. Less than sign, equal sign, 50, close the bracket, comma, space, double quote and type none found. Basically this optional argument tells Excel what to display if no numbers in the range meets both condition, preventing a hash calculation error. So close the bracket to complete the formula, hit enter, and here it is. You can see that easily. 10 till 50 values. So this way you can easily extract numbers in a range in Excel using filter formula. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.